Welcome to another edition of Learn with Samita. This morning we are at the Dandenong National Park in Melbourne, Australia, and we will be doing the Kokoda Memorial Walk track. Join us. We test Ouder outdoor shoes on the iconic Kokoda Memorial Walk in Melbourne, Australia. This trail, also known as the 1,000 Steps, is a tribute to the soldiers who fought in the Kokoda track campaign during World War II. As you can see, I am suitably attired with puffer and everything. However, shoes were a problem. I was looking for something versatile, suitable for indoor activity and outdoor activity. Something not quite frumpy. Practicality blended with on-trend, blended with quirky, blended with funky. And I hit upon Ouder shoes. I ordered 2 pairs. Let's discover Ouder shoes. The box arrived pretty quickly. Now the big question is, what's inside the box? Discover. So the first pair is Ouder Smile. A pair of denim shoes from Ouder Smile, and we've got some freebies, socks, some extra pair of, there are 2 pairs actually, 2 pairs of laces, and the shoe itself denim upper, platform soles, very on trend. As you all know, denim is hot property right now. Good grip. So, and just by changing the laces, you can actually get 2 different shoes. How funky is that? Very well constructed. Now I'll take off. There's a cover. So I'll take this off. And you can see the sole looks absolutely solid with good grip. For the second pair, I ordered something heavier for trekking, hiking, for the snow. So this came with a good grip, anti-slip sole. It's waterproof and lined inside. Perfect for skiing, skating, trekking in monsoon, wet weather, wet grass. This will cover everything. And again, I get the extra shoelace and the extra cotton socks. These shoes look chunky, however, they are lightweight. Take a look. So they are 930 grams, which is less than 1 kilo. For the beginning of the trek, I'll wear the denim shoes. It's 11 in the morning, but you can see the grass is still wet. However, I'm not slipping. The grip is so good and it's very comfortable. It looks chunky, but it's very lightweight. These Ouder shoes have definitely put a smile on my face. So we are moving uphill now. You can see there's a steep slope. The sun's gone down and it's become little nippy. So I would need something more heavy duty and something more warm. So I am changing my shoes. I am changing from the denim shoes to the lined boots. So these boots are lined. They can be adjusted, which is great because I have scrawny feet. It's waterproof and anti-slip. So I am actually ready for the 4 seasons that we have in Melbourne. In Melbourne, we can have 4 seasons in a day. However, Ouder shoes still have to pass the Holy Grail. Australia has 12,000 beaches. So if Ouder shoes have to survive in Australia, they must pass the sun and sand test. Let's put Ouder shoes through the sun and sand test. Walk with me. Why is Learn with Samita reviewing Ouder outdoor shoes? Because Ouder's design philosophy is deeply rooted in the beauty of nature. Ouder pays homage to the earth's raw elegance, infusing every pair of shoes they craft with its essence. Now that is the obvious reason. There's also another secret reason. Ouder's visionary founder, Boyd, is a Virgo at heart. Just like who else? But yours truly. Underneath Boyd's quiet personality, he yearned for a friendly, approachable presence. However, his shoe choices lagged behind his vibrant personality. When Boyd crossed paths with a creative genius at Ouder University, it sparked a shoe revolution. The name Ouder is a twist on the English word outer, which symbolizes its quest to push the boundaries of creativity and individuality. The logo embodies its commitment to continuous evolution and innovation. Each shoe is crafted meticulously, from the initial sketches to the selection of eco-friendly materials. Ouder shoes are versatile, taking you from the boardroom to the great outdoors. Ouder Shoes is more than just a brand. It's a community of individuals who dare to be different, seeking self-expression through fashion. In this increasingly fast-paced world, we often tend to forget to stop and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. Ouder encourages us to appreciate that beauty, connect with nature, connect with our surroundings, connect with ourselves. Step into Ouder, where your journey of self-expression and discovery begins. At Ouder, every shoe tells a story, your story and mine. That brings us to the end of our story. Stop! Before you go away, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Check out related videos in the cards and on the end screen. Till next time, this is Samita signing off. Bye for now.